Our coastal range is targeted at the fabricator who wants to provide quality sliders that is quick and easy to fabricate. All extrusions are square cuts, which add to the simplicity of the system. A double head cutting machine is used in this factory to cut the extrusions, but a single cut-off saw can also be used. The punching action is a quick and easy process and is done perfectly every time. The sill drainage slots are also punched without hassle. The draft excluders also serve as anti-lift blocks, which increase the security factor of the door. Dry sealing pads are used in the assembly of the outer frame in lieu of messy silicone. The speed at which the outer frame is finished is very quick. Wool pile slots in all extrusions provide the system with its functionality in terms of sealing. Here we see specific in-house detailing which ensures the wool pile stays locked in. The elegant flush mounted door lock is easily fitted. Double wheel rollers are height adjustable and ensure a smooth and quiet sliding action. Calculations have shown that the punching tools will increase your productivity by 400%. The 900 series offers single and double glazing, and the conventional channel glazing system is used in both applications. An adaptive profile is used in the single glazed option as shown here. This section accommodates glazing up to 16 mm thick. The stiles and rails neatly fit over this adaptive profile, which adds to the overall door panel strength. Once the panels are screwed together, plastic covered trims add the finishing touches. The glazing procedure for the double glazed panel is no different to the single glazed version. The channel gasket is temporarily kept in place with masking tape as shown until the rails are fitted. The 900 series accommodates glazing up to 24 mm thick. Now you can make a patio type door with double glazing 5 times faster. The 900 series offers 3 alternative interlock combinations, catering for a wide range of door configurations. Checking the panels for squareness forms part of standard QA procedures. Make sure the panels slide and fit as intended.